Hello, everyone. Time for a little fun in creating your podcast artwork. Now, if you know Illustrator or Photoshop or some other tool that you want to use, that's fine. For those of us who are not graphic artists, I'm going to show you how you can use canva.com very easily, simply, and for free. So it's canva.com, not Canvas, which is the educational platform that we use at the university. What you want to do is create your own account, a free account. There is no need to buy anything. Don't click on the start your free trial. You don't need that. Instead, we're going to keep it simple and we're going to go over to where it says the plus and create. This brings open some dialog boxes, and what I want you to do is go to the left and scroll down to where it says custom size. Now here is where you want to put in 3000 by 3000. That's the Apple standard, and then px for pixels, and then hit create design. This gives us the place for our artwork, and we have all kinds of tools over here. We're going to keep it simple, activate that gray bar, and go down to where it says photos. In the search here, we're just going to type in golf, and we get some images. If you wanted to use an image from another photo library, that's fine. You would just import it into the system here. Don't use the ones that have the crown because those are paid for. Here's a free one. I'm just going to double click, and now it's in my workspace. Now I want to put the podcast name in, so I'm going to go over here and slide up to the text tool. I'm going to add a box, and here I'm going to type in top female golfers. Okay, and then I'm just going to get rid of the rest of that text. And what I want to do now is I want to place this where I want it. So if I activate this in the middle, what I can do is I can drag it down here, for example, and I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to highlight, let me get before that T there, and activate the whole thing. And then I'm going to go up to the color bar here. I'm going to hit white. I also want to make this bold, and I want to make it bigger. So I'm going to click on the size here until it gets to be the size that I want it and the location that I want it. Okay, let's take a look. All right. Now, if I wanted to put in the host name, for example, I'd click on the text box, and here again, I would put in, let's make this up. We'll make it hosted by PGA champ, return Jill Olmsted. Yeah, fat chance of that, but it's for fun. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to turn it white again. So go over there to the colors, and I'm going to reduce the size of this. Okay, because it's going to go up in the upper left-hand corner. All right, so when it gets about there, then I'm going to click inside the box, and I can just physically put it over there. Now, what I could do is I could make the hosted by even smaller if I highlight this and I bring that down a little bit. And then if I want to bring it down like there in the dark, then let's see how that. So if I like that, then that's what I'll keep. But you can see the tools are pretty basic here. I just scroll between the text or bringing in a photograph. I can create a different background, etc. Now if I'm finished with this, I want to just go to File and Save. And if it's all set, then I'm going to hit the Share button. And then I hit the Download button. And when I hit Download, you can see that the PNG is being created there. Okay, and here it is right here. And that's what I just created. So you can see it's pretty simple to do this, just needs a little bit of practice. That'll do it.